Check out this powerhouse lineup. Rolling off our assembly line right now. We recrafting precision at lightning speed with our high-performance linear pet stretch, blow molding machines. Let me show you the high-speed linear pet stretch, blow molding machines. Under manufacture on April 5th 10th. 6 cavity for 1000 milliliters. 6 cavity machine frame. Six cavity ready machine weight for blow mold. One cavity for 18.9 liter. Two cavity 18.9 liter. One cavity 18.9 liter. Six cavity for flat bottle. Ten cavity for carbonated drink. 8 cavity for 500 milliliters water. Six cavity common model. Twelve cavity for water bottle frame. Eight cavity for water bottle. Eight cavity 60% ready. Two cavity for 5 liter. Ten cavity for 600 milliliters water bottle. Ten cavity for 500 milliliters water bottle. Entire valve block. Ten cavity for 500 milliliters water bottle.
This 10 cavity.
这个打仗走不了了。
Two cavity for 20 liter beer bottle.
This 2 cavity 20 liters.
Twelve cavity for water, with function of changing star wheel.
This 12 cavity.
To run 6 cavity 2 liter
You
bottle.
can change the star
Just
wheel
trial with power.
to
In.
make 6 cavity. Valve block here.
2-cavity common model. 8-cavity for carbonated drink.
It's 2 cavity, 20 liter. Old model.
Eight cavity
This
for hot
another
fill.
5 cavity.
Every valve block. Every star wheel.
cavity.
Engineered for perfection. This isn't just manufacturing. It's a symphony of reliability. When you see dozens of machines in simultaneous production,
The voltage
that's our
stabilizer,
ironclad
regulator.
promise. Consistent quality peak performance. Zero compromises. Stop worrying about consistency. Discover how. Our full-scale production
8
guarantees
cavity.
your peace of mind, your trust. We're building it bottle by bottle. Make you to the top.